In this video, you will learn the basics of how to use Excel's Concat function to combine text from multiple ranges and/or strings. Let's get started. Here we have a short list with first names and last names in two separate columns. What if we wanted to combine the first name and last name into one column? We can use a Concat function to do this. The first step is to click Insert Function. This launches the Insert Function dialog box. In the search for a function area, type Concat. Next, in the Select a Function area, select Concat and then click OK. Next, the Function Arguments dialog box appears. Here you can specify the arguments in the Concat function. The arguments are the text that you want to combine. Here in text 1 we can specify A2, which is the first name. Then in text 2 specify B2 for the last name. Then click OK. Now you can see that the first name and last name have been combined. You may have noticed that there isn't a space between the first name and last name. We can adjust this by once again clicking Insert Function to launch the Function Arguments dialog box. Here we can edit the text arguments. Go into text 2 and delete B2. Replace it with quote, space, quote to add a space. Next, in text 3, specify B2 for the last name. Then click OK. Now you can see that the first name and last name have a space in between them. In order to fill this down, hover over cell C2 to the lower right until you see a crosshair that resembles a plus sign. Then double click. The combined text has now been filled down automatically. In our second example, let's do a more advanced combining of text. In the first example, we implemented the Concat function by using the Insert Function method. This time, we will write the Concat formula ourselves. Here we have the first name, middle initial, and last name. What if we wanted to combine this text with the first name, space, middle initial, period, space, and then the last name? Let's do this using the Concat formula. Start by equal sign, type Concat, open parentheses. Then select A2 to specify the first name, comma. Then we will type quote, space, quote to add a space, comma. Next, we specify B2 for the middle initial, comma. Next, we type quote, period, space, quote to write the period and the space, comma. And finally, we specify the last name with C2, close parentheses, hit enter. Now you can see that the text has been combined with the first name, space, middle initial, period, space, last name. And just like before, if you want to copy the combined text down below, go to the bottom right and double click the fill handle, and the combined text has automatically been copied below. In this video, you learned the basics of the Concat function in Excel. I hope this video has been useful to you. It takes many hours of effort to make these videos. If you want to express gratitude, please consider subscribing. Please also like and comment since it helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching and see you next time.